Rhode Island is suing Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and the Department of Health and Human Services for what's being called illegal cuts to public health grants. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Kalunian.
And I'm Kayla Fish. Rhode Island's Attorney General is co-leading the lawsuit filed here in the Ocean State on behalf of 23 states, including Massachusetts and Washington, D.C. Our Jake Holter joins us live from outside the Attorney General's office with the details. Jake?
Yeah, Kayla and Kim, these public health grant cuts came down last week, and this lawsuit seeks a temporary restraining order to invalidate them.
Loss of this funding endangers the people of Rhode Island.
Last Monday, Secretary Kennedy slashed nearly $11 billion in public health grants to these states, more than $31 million of which goes to Rhode Island. But nearly 24 attorneys general say that's illegal.
The fundamental legal problem is what he's doing directly contradicts what the Congress told the president to do, which is to spend this money. That's the deal.
Congress authorized and appropriated new and increased funding for these grants in COVID-19 related legislation to support public health needs. A statement from Health and Human Services reads, quote, "The COVID-19 pandemic is over and HHS will no longer waste billions of taxpayer dollars responding to a non-existent pandemic that Americans moved on from years ago." But Rhode Island's Health Department Director Dr. Jerome Larkin says the money from these federal grants helps keep Rhode Islanders safe.
These grants, although they had their inception in the COVID pandemic, really rightly need to be understood as a response to the gaps and the damage done to the public health infrastructure from the pandemic. And this was a way of ensuring that when the next pandemic occurs, we have the capacity to respond to that appropriately, dynamically, and in good time.
Larkin says this cancellation cuts funds for infectious disease management, emergency preparedness, mental health and substance abuse services, and public health infrastructure. He said without these federal funds, it could result in raised taxes on Rhode Islanders. And Neronha says he anticipates a court hearing on this case soon. For now, live in Providence, Jake Holter, 12 News.